This United Real Estate Infinity Property video is presented by mercysardinas. Multiple offers, highest and best by Friday, September 17, 2021 at 5 p.m. A spacious open floor plan with living, dining, breakfast area, and laundry room. Offering just over 1,700 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 2005 and with plenty of backyard space with ample room for a pool is sure to make a long-lasting impression. Tile throughout the home. Large lanai area perfect for your outdoor fun. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact mercysardinas at 756-564-6055.